Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add location on Wix website. The first thing you want to do once you're on your Wix website, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on the plus that says Add Elements. After tapping on the plus that says Add Elements, I want you to select Contacts and Forms, and from there you're going to select Maps and you can see Google Maps. Then from there you can either select Maps and you can select one of these templates, or you can select full width map, and let's say for example I were to select this one. Then from here you can simply drag and place it wherever you want on your website. So let's say we were to add it right there. Then you'll just tap on Manage Locations, and from here you could input in your location just like that. You can add in your location right here, and that's it. Persons will be able to find your location on Google Maps once they visit your website. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like me to explain it in a different way, or you have a question that you would like to ask, you can let me know in the comment section, and thank you very much for watching.